What would happen if you could capture all the rain that fell from the sky and put it in the ground? Would flooding and erosion in your creeks be reduced? Would water quality and quantity improve? Elementary questions that get to the basics of the urban stream problems. The City of Austin's Watershed Protection Department wants to find answers to these questions. To accomplish a watershed-scale study of this kind requires the assistance of the public, but how would we expect them to join us when they probably don't even know what green stormwater infrastructure is? Well, that's what brings us to the Reilly Elementary School GSI demonstration project. 5 rain gardens and 12 cisterns installed on publicly accessible property that captures stormwater runoff from over 76,000 square feet of rooftops and parking lots and infiltrates over 621,000 gallons of water annually. The 5 rain gardens located throughout the site were designed to accommodate a variety of existing conditions and aesthetic needs while avoiding the use of complicated drainage systems and costly biomedia. They were all designed using the infiltration capabilities of the native soil in order to encourage an average citizen to install one in their own yard. Each feature highlights how a rain garden can be a classic turf lawn for recreation, an evolving habitat for wildlife, a traditional planting bed located at the entrance of a building, or an engaging outdoor classroom where students can learn and explore. Of the 5 total rain gardens, 2 capture stormwater from parking lots to treat the polluted runoff before reaching the nearby creek, and 3 capture runoff from building roofs in order to let the water soak into the ground and provide recharge to the creek. Based on aesthetic desires for each location, stainless steel or plastic was used for the 12 cisterns. Each rainwater harvesting system has one of 3 types of subsurface irrigation with the goal of reducing and treating runoff by infiltrating the stormwater into the ground. Some of this water will find its way back to the stream through groundwater paths, and some will return to the atmosphere through plant uptake and evapotranspiration. The cisterns used passive pressure, which presented unique challenges for infiltrating water into the ground at a rate necessary to meet the city's water quality code requirements. 3 different types of subsurface irrigation systems were tested and modified to meet the cistern drawdown needs of the project. They were drip lines, 4-inch perforated pipes, and infiltration chambers. Now that the project has been constructed, a local nonprofit, Partners for Education, Agriculture, and Sustainability, PEAS, was contracted to create and implement an outdoor GSI curriculum that connects student learning with opportunities presented by the rain gardens and cisterns. The public is also invited to come and inspect all the cisterns and rain gardens, and will soon have detailed signage explaining how they are built and function. A 3-year study is underway to evaluate the long-term reliability and maintenance needs of the cisterns. During the study, we will be monitoring the rainfall and level of the cisterns to determine the runoff capture efficiency, drawdown rates, and any changes over time. Maintenance of the rain gardens is simply keeping the inlets clear of sediment and vegetation. During the study, the Cistern of Austin is maintaining the cisterns, which primarily involves cleaning filters. When the study is over, the school will assume maintenance of the systems. This project is the first of its kind for the City of Austin to pursue. Even though the designs look simple and can be recreated easily, the development of them was a complicated process that followed strict engineering guidelines and required the development of unique design criteria. This innovative project required the collaboration of ecologists, engineers, and landscape designers, each of which raised the bar in trying to create a sustainable solution for a complex problem. Please enjoy this tour, followed by a beautiful moment of Zen.